easy and healthy chia pudding recipe. If you're looking for an easy, vegan, and healthy make-ahead breakfast, this simple recipe for chia pudding is for you. Made with only 4 base ingredients in about 5 minutes and endlessly customizable to fit your dietary and flavor preferences, this sweet and satisfying treat is sure to become a family favorite. Ingredients: A. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. B. 3/4 cups coconut milk, light or thin, or swap with almond milk or cashew milk. C. 2 tablespoons coconut sugar or add as required. Swap with raw sugar or preferred sweetener. D. 1/4 teaspoon ground green cardamom or ground cinnamon, or 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. E. 1/2 banana, peeled and sliced. You can add your choice of fruits. F. 2 to 3 strawberries, sliced. G. 1 teaspoon pine nuts or any nuts of your choice. How to make chia pudding. 1. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a glass or jar. If you want, you can rinse the seeds with water in a superfine strainer first. 2. Add 3/4 cup light coconut milk or the liquid of your choice. For a less thick pudding, add 1 to 1.25 cups light coconut milk. 3. Sweeten with 2 tablespoons coconut sugar. 4. Sprinkle with 2 pinches of ground cardamom or ground cinnamon. You can even flavor with 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract. 5. Mix everything till the coconut sugar is dissolved. Break up any lumps with a spoon. Cover the glasses and place them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. 6. Later, remove the glasses from the fridge. You will see that the pudding has nicely thickened. 7. Stir again and break up any lumps. The pudding will be thick. 8. Top chia pudding with your desired toppings like chopped fruits and nuts, then serve. Most of the time I add bananas, as they are a staple in my home, strawberries, when in season, and blueberries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.